Meaning of departmental.
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 Departmental. The word departmental refers to something that is related to a specific department within an organization or institution. It can be used to describe activities, functions, policies, or resources that are specific to that department. For instance, departmental budget refers to the financial plan for that department only, and departmental meeting refers to a gathering of employees who work within the same department. In short, the term departmental denotes a narrow and specialized focus within an organization. It highlights the unique needs and functions of each department and underscores the importance of efficient communication and collaboration between different departments.